Today we will see steel fire extinguishers manufacturing. The process begins with making the steel cylinder using the bending rolling machine. Automatic welding machine fixes the cylinder with a longitudinal seam. Also, welding the mounting brackets on the wall of the cylinder. After that, fitting the lid and bottom in every cylinder. Now the threaded ring is attached to the cylinder using automatic machine. The cylinder passes through hydro-pressure testing which ensure a leak-proof body. The fire extinguisher is given coating using inner coating and baking machine. Cylinder gets its distinctive red coating in the powder spray paint. After that, stamping the company name on the cylinder using automatic stamping machine. Once the cylinder received coating, it's ready to be filled with powder foam, water or carbon dioxide. After that, the spray gun and pressure gauge are fitted by hand. The pipe is fitted on the extinguisher cylinder. Finally, the steel fire extinguishers are ready for the customers.